Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We're here with the last Temu unboxing of this bag. Yes, I have two other Temu orders on the way. I am uncontrollable. But they were having a sale, a big sale on something that is been in my wish list for a while, so I had to get it. But anyway, this is the final item. And it is yet more of my nail stickers. So this is from the first set that I opened from the bag of Temu. These are fall colors. And I put these because when I put them on, the leaves were still green and also red and green and yellow. Like there was still some green, but now the green is almost gone. So I'm going to have to change these. But these are Halloween nails. Yay! I love Halloween. So you guys, let's take a look and see what we get. Why do I always have such a hard time with these bags? Figuring out where to open them. Here we go. So the first thing I am noticing is that this set is nicer than the other set because they gave me the emery boards that I love. These big honking ones. The other set just gave me those two teeny tiny ones. Actually, I have one right next to me because I used it to put on these nails. So my other set only came with two of these. And this set came with this giant double-sided one. I like these way better. So thank you for that. And let's see. Yes, this is the 12 sheets of Halloween full wrap nail art deco. So 12 sheets with the big emery board for $5.19. And the other one were only 10 pieces. And with the teeny emery board. And they cost more. They were $6.39. So anyway, this was a better deal, and I got the better emery board. So I'm very excited, because I love Halloween, and I love all the fall colors. So I'll probably change these. These still look pretty good, though. I hate to take them off before they look yucky. But I broke these two nails, and today I broke this nail, because my nails were too long. Can you see my thumbnail, how much longer it is than my other nails? When it gets a little bit past that point, my nails get brittle, and they start breaking. So I really need to keep them about this length. But I hate that because these nail wraps look so much nicer on longer nails. Like, see this nail here? It's getting to the point where it's going to break if I don't keep it trimmed to that length. I can't usually go longer than that. So definitely need to trim Mr. Baby Finger. But look how much nicer it looks. Like, look. The longer nail and the shorter baby nail. The longer nail looks so much nicer. Like, I hate long claw nails. Like, some girls have those long pointy nails. I would never want that. But I would like to at least be able to keep them at this length and not have them break. That is the length I really like. But they don't, so yeah. If I don't trim them myself, then they break way low like this one did. Which sucks. So I need to trim these. Alright. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Skulls. Skulls and jack-o'-lanterns. That is so cool. Ooh, graveyard scenery. Now see, for this you need long nails or you're not going to get the scenery. Like, okay, here's my thumb. So here's the thumb one. If I were to put that there, I would just get the black, part of the white, and part of the cross. So these wouldn't work with shorter nails, unfortunately. But there's lots that have the repeating patterns that work just fine. Anything that has like a repeating pattern, it works great on short nails. Or like a solid color. Those are super cute. I don't know if my camera is zooming in. But they're bats and, oh, I hate spiders. But they're spiders. And I didn't notice there were spiders till I looked at my camera. And ghosts and pumpkins. And these ones are on a white background, which is interesting. And spider webs and skulls and bats. And these here are short enough that I think I would get the ghost on there. I would just about get the ghost on there. And all the rest are small enough that they would show up. But the ghost fingers, you would need longer. The bats are small enough that if I put them on that way, it would work. Those are cute. Super cute. These are all really cute. Oh, pumpkins. So that's nice because you could wear that after Halloween still because it's still fall. Ooh, creepy, creepy spider webs. With some flowers. Another little pattern one on a light colored background. with some pumpkins and bats. I guess technically they're jack-o'-lanterns once you do them. And purple, cool. See, these are ghosts and jack-o'-lanterns and bats. Purple nails. Oh, those are adorable. I hate spiders, but those are cute spiders. And let's see, I would need that for this nail, that size. These are the thumbs. These would be this nail or this nail. Or I could skip that altogether and go to the next size. I don't know if the spider would show. I might cut it off. Unless I trim the bottom to get the spider in. What do you think? I might on that finger. But this finger, I don't think. This finger, it would just get the eyes, unfortunately. So this, hopefully my nails will grow a little bit. These nails will grow a little bit by Halloween. And this one. This would work. Anything pattern works nicely. So there we have it. We have, I love these ones. And they had these on top. These are my favorite. And I think I could get the face on my nail. Yeah. So those are my favorite. I might save those for Halloween week. These would work on any size nails. These are beautiful, but you need long nails. That would work. So they gave me lots. They gave me tons and tons and tons to work with. So, yeah, I would say these ones here are definitely my favorite. Which ones are your favorite? I love those. If I had long nails, those would be my second favorite. I like these. Yeah, I think these are really darling. And I love that they came with a nice size emery board. Alright guys, so for $5.19 Canadian, that is what I paid. They're called 12 Sheets of Halloween Fun Wrap Nail Art Decals with glitter finish. I don't see any glitter on here, so I don't know why they're saying that. Single use, and today they're $7.20. So like I said, Temu changes their prices every day, and also depending on the time of the day. So if you're like me, shop like in the middle of the night, and their prices are better. And this is provided by, I can't tell. The logo says Ebanku, E-B-A-N-K-U, and then next to it, it says DQ Working, which reminds me of the Dairy Queen. So Dairy Queen Working. It says this is the number 10 top provider in new arrivals. They have high repeat customers, and they have 50 items, and almost all of them are nail wraps. Oh, no, I lie. They also have adjustable cup holders and some other nail stuff. Like lots and lots of nail stuff. Even like rhinestones, if you want to glue rhinestones onto your nails. That's pretty cool. Yeah. So Ebanku DK Working. So today they cost a little bit more. They're $7.20 today. But I got them for $5.19, which is an awesome price. Alright guys, so I hope you like that. Our last Temu item out of the bag. We're all done now with unboxing Temu until the next orders come in, of course. But yeah, I feel glad that these came in. I'm probably going to switch to some of them pretty soon. Alright guys, I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye guys.